YouTube? We back here and we finna have a special video for y'all today. Shit, little mukbang, little car meet, shit like that, you feel me? But right now, we in CLT. Which food truck we going to?
This one right here on the right. That's right here, that big ass black truck.
Yeah. About to see what's up with this shit. See if this shit busting or not. That nigga here?
Nah, he ain't here yet. That's his brother's shit. You want me to keep recording?
3 hours later.
It's recording?
Hell yeah.
Alright, we at the food truck, man. You feel me? Check out the menu, check out the menu.
What's the so the seafood type shit,
Hell
shit?
Yeah. We definitely going with this today.
What that do right there? Read it out.
The New York infamous chopped cheese. You know what I'm saying?
With the fries.
With the fries.
So we can get a little motor fries.
Get a little fries, shit like that. Hell yeah. So we gonna see what's up with this shit.
We got DCC here, man. Tyrzke in the cut, Braille. Hey man.
$1, man.
Hey, wait, did we order it? Or is he gonna do it for us? Alright.
It's cold as fuck right now, but shit in the butt. Nigga, you don't gotta keep talking, nigga. You can edit the clips out, nigga.
Bro. Hey, Devin, get in the light real quick and tell them what you got, man.
I got a chopped cheese, nigga. Chopped cheese, no veggies. I don't want no onions in my shit.
What you got, bro?
I got the same shit, all veggies.
All veggies. What you got, nigga?
Lame man, nigga. Chopped cheese. Fucking fries, man. God,
your ass shit in a brick, nigga.
Shit in a brick.
I ain't on here.
Ain't shit in no brick. Let's know that now. Yeah, nigga, look at Cookout, nigga. That goddamn shit.
Yo, look at that shit, boy. They packed, boy.
Boy, that shit packed as fuck.
Oh God, nigga.
You got to hold down some time. Everybody be there. It's cold.
What the fuck?
It's cold as fuck, bro.
I don't know why you decided to put an ankle sock.
You got on ankle socks, nigga.
Yo, ankle socks, show him.
What the fuck?
I got them.
Going on?
But
Freaky ass nigga, bro.
But this shit feel bonus as hell, nigga. Like, my motherfucking, it feel weird as hell wearing these shits.
That nigga really got on ankle socks, though.
Oh,
I just
bro.
doing something quick. I ain't even gonna hold you.
That's that up north shit for real.
Nah, for real.
Nah, stand out shit.
Oh, nigga, I ain't finna start here eating. Nigga, we eating in the whip, nigga. This
nigga, they gotta cook all this shit. Y'all finna stand out here and wait.
Are you talking about like?
How else we gonna know? It's done. Call us. Who gonna hear it?
Don't you got your number?
I mean, yeah, but I mean, shit.
Egg roll. Ooh. Damn. They rolled it up. What the fuck is the G-Crab burger?
G-Crowd. Yo, they food truck used to be named the G-Spot.
Oh,
Her G-Spot.
He did say that shit.
Okay.
You heard her G-Spot. That's not crazy, you nigga.
Huh?
That's the name of the truck, nigga. Her G-Spot, nigga.
This is free, nigga.
Chill, gangster.
Turkey wing fucking crazy.
You said that what?
Turkey wing plate.
Good as a bitch. Not gonna cap, nigga.
That shit say honey jerk. So jumbo honey jerk turkey wing plate.
Yo, why you
Like
pointing at it to
turkey
read
wing?
though?
You don't?
Slow ass nigga.
Like, I don't eat turkey wing.
Have you tried it?
No.
Exactly. Shut that shit up. You gotta try it.
Fuck. You ain't no goddamn turkey wing, nigga.
Yo, bro, it just got you in the camera looking at me. Yo, that nigga real funny as hell.
Fuck, I look like eating a turkey wing, nigga.
You ain't tried, you can't knock it, nigga.
Yeah, you try that nasty shit.
You better get accustomed to the southern shit, nigga.
Let me know how that works.
That nigga, you
Gotta try it at least once. Gotta try it at least once.
Nah, thank you. This nigga ain't from
Just
here,
try
so
it
he
once.
don't really know.
What? Try what?
Turkey wings.
Turkey wings. I tried them bitches. They alright.
Shit's fire.
They alright.
Talking about like the big,
Fuck with that shit.
the big ass turkey wings.
Damn, boy, it's
boy.
cold as hell.
I should have brought my motherfucking jacket. I got a big little ass hoodie.
You said about your bumper, your damn puffer.
My goddamn what?
Your goddamn puffer.
Nigga, nobody asked you that a bitch ass thing.
Your goddamn puffer.
You see me.
That shit in the car. It's in the trunk though.
Hey man, y'all see what time it is, man.
Who the fuck was fucking up a lunchable, nigga?
It's
Somebody was fucking that bitch up.
8:58. I mean 8:57 in this bitch, man. That look like some cheese touch shit.
Niggas got a camera on the side of this bitch. Nigga, they not playing no game.
I ain't even beat that shit. I ain't even beat that shit, boy. Damn, it is kind of cold, man. But this hoodie keeping me warm up top.
Damn, I should have betted with this nigga.
You still betting.
Hell yeah, boy.
Don't worry about that parlay.
Hey man, nigga, that should be hidden, boy.
Man, them parlays is serious, man. Wait, hold on.
Nigga fiend.
Hey, check out his parlays, y'all.
Hey, y'all, snibbing.
Brightness too high. Parlay. Hey, you see that boy shit?
Hey, young nigga like me losing, man.
Hey, show your shit, guys. Hey man.
You out it for that.
Young nigga like me losing like fuck, bro.
God damn. Yo, this camera probably shaking like hell right now. Yo, Jimmy Butler ain't moving at all.
Fucking Jimmy, man.
Bro.
Goddamn Jimmy Butler.
That's the damn lightning.
Nigga sorry as hell.
Jimmy Butler, he ain't trash, nigga. He just having. That's not. He is trash. That nigga ain't scored out one time.
Man, I might have to give me a bag of chips too.
Nigga, you getting loaded fries with a chopped cheese.
Oh yeah.
Fat ass.
Oh, okay.
That shit smell good though.
I can smell that shit.
You see that big ass truck though?
No.
I was like,
Y'all gotta make sure y'all talk loud enough for the camera. It's done.
That nigga got happy as fuck.
What she say?
She said she don't need nothing. She closing the goddamn window.
Nigga thought.
Damn, boy.
Nigga thought.
Nah, hold on.
the food was ready.
That nigga
Oh,
ran to that
God.
window quick as a bitch.
Cause I'm like, what?
Nigga thought dinner was done.
Everybody all walked through that window.
On God though. Nigga said they done already.
Bro, look.
Right.
We left work after what? 4 o'clock? Nigga, we been waiting all the way since
They got
4
honey buns in that motherfucker.
Nah, I had chips. Honey bun. Where you see a honey bun at, nigga?
I thought the bread right there was a honey bun.
The bread? Talking about this sandwich?
Oh, the bread.
Man,
What the fuck?
I don't know what this nigga talking about, man.
Nigga, they got tape attached to the bag of chips on the window.
Yeah, so they know what they picking, nigga. Tactical.
Nigga,
Tactical.
what if I
Did you say
grab that
back to
shit?
school?
What if I grab
Tactical,
that
nigga.
shit and run to my car? And just
What's
drive
back to
off
school?
with it?
What the fuck you mean back to school?
I mean, they got a camera. They just won't serve you no more.
Chop that motherfucker up.
I don't, bro, look. If I do some
Look like
shit
you got a
that, bro,
little nut at the back of your head, boy.
What the fuck is you talking about? What was that?
I'm sorry. Yeah, that do-rag.
Damn.
Nigga got a knot.
Damn.
Nigga got a knot.
Damn.
Nigga got a knot.
Do it like that.
that nigga said you gonna do me like that.
Nah, this
That shit
nigga.
all the way back.
Look how this shit look, gang.
Bro, look, you
Look how
gotta
this
think
look
about
on the
it.
camera.
That still got
Look at that phone. Oh, bro. Yeah, I like it like
we
this
gotta get
more.
to the car meet, y'all.
When it end?
Hurry that motherfucker up.
When it end?
This ain't in at 10.
Oh, we're going to the one that he was talking about. Let me see the flyer.
Wait, he got a different one?
No, I'm
It's a-
saying
it's
I'm
a-
saying that's the one that he got.
Car wash
Oh, my
thing.
fault.
No, I got you.
I'm just
I was
dripping-
trying to pull it up for
dripping
you.
I got a little too excited.
That nigga said,
No, I'm talking about the flyer. Wait, what this?
Nah,
yeah, this the one he was talking
that's
about.
Dolo Colo. That shit ain't like, that shit right around the corner.
In at 10.
Yeah, this the one he was talking about.
That's Dolo Colo, man. Shit.
I mean, it ain't raining no more, so I ain't tripping. It was raining a little while ago.
Oh, it was raining or not? He was going. Whether it was raining or not, this nigga was going. Whether it was raining or not, this nigga was
I
going.
was not going, nigga. That's why I drove. Because if it was raining, I was gonna drop y'all ass back off, nigga. Hell no.
You would've dropped us off and we would've went.
Nah, y'all would've went. I would've gone.
And you would've been sitting there like, I wish I would've went.
No. I don't have regrets. Well, I'm gonna get it off.
You can, bro. They'll just call you and let you know.
His food is my food. He think we finna call this nigga. We don't call this nigga. Be able to hear nothing.
I'm sorry, that joke girl, but she coming with me. I say, baby.
Alright, what you eating, guys?
We got a mukbang going on. You feel me? Chopped cheese with a load of fries.
Wait, this shit gonna get copyrighted.
A few moments later.
That's that Swiss cheese shit that. You seen that meme? You a bitch, bro. You's a bitch.
Oh, he got recorded the looks, y'all boys.
Oh yeah, you know I got you, man.
Hey, you got some serious head.
What you mean? For sure. Oh yeah. Lame as fuck. How you coming over here? We got 12.
About 3 holes in front of the speaker.
What the fuck? Who the fuck?
Did y'all see that shit?
Who the fuck is this? Somebody's shit missing, bro. Come on, man. I might have to add that motherfucker to my car.
Why you?
Might have to add that motherfucker to my car.
Look at me like that.
He turned his head like.
Might have to add that motherfucker to my car, man. Shit.
Boy, fuck no.
I'ma get the angles, bitch. I'ma get the angles. I'ma get the angles, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Come on. Oh, man, that's some. Yeah. Cut up in that little shit. Cut up in that little shit. Cut up in that little shit.
Hold on, get this shit. Oh, that shit got pops on it.
Oh my God, cut up in that little shit. Come on, man.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Cut up.
I think that's a Honda.
Bro, the nigga in the Chrysler behind his ass parked up.
Damn, Nick, yo, hit the front of that bumper. You heard that shit?
Yeah, it's possible. Yeah, that shit is.
Don't worry, I ain't gonna hit you.
I'm just out the way.
I'm not going nowhere. They finna roll up.
Get down.
Get who? Oh, bet, say it. Oh, that shit beautiful, yo.
That bitch clean.
That bitch clean as hell.
Zoom in that bitch.
Nigga, I've been doing it the whole time, trust. Yo, that shit look fly as hell on the can, cuz. All that smoke, my nigga. Holy fuck. How you feel about this shit, man?
Huh?
How you feel about this shit, man?
Man, this shit crazy, man. Just wait till I upgrade my bitch.
Yeah.
Right in this motherfucker.
Yeah. Yeah, these bright ass lights, man. Get the fuck on. I'll shoot that ass. Look at that whip right now.
They gotta get it.
Yeah. that shit about to break down. That shit about to break down.
They go this way.
They about to park over there.
But this shit sound crazy as hell.
What I did? Fuck.
Wait, if they driving in circles coming back?
Shit, I hope so.
Nah, niggas rolling out. See that?
Nigga almost got hit. Nigga right here almost got hit. Lame ass niggas. These niggas pissing me off. Ooh, look at that shit.
Damn. Wait, get these.
Nigga, this is a regular car.
Damn, my bad.
That is a regular car. Nigga straight off of work. Yeah! Nigga straight off of work. That's what I'm talking about, nigga.
And he playing that boss man, nigga.
That Jeep motherfucker. Man, it's what it is mad what?
It's mad breakout outside.
You heard?
Nigga, imagine being homeless, nigga. You live in this area and you gotta hear this shit and you trying to sleep.
Boy, I be mad as hell.
Boy, I ain't gonna lie.
You hit one of these niggas' cars out here, boy, you fuck.
Who?
Somebody hit somebody's car, you fuck.
Oh yeah, they gonna start scrapping.
They gonna the switch. Fuck you mean strap?
They
I mean
ain't fighting,
scrapping.
nigga, they shooting.
On God, nigga.
No, girl. You gotta be fucking lying.
What's wrong, dude?
Well, hell no, God, hell no.
Yo.
Going for my gun in. Oh my God.
They pulling out that
They run like no
AK-47.
J, nigga.
Oh, nigga, I'm gonna be gone.
I'm not running like that, nigga. That's all you need to worry about. I'm going straight to the wheel. That's how GG, he finna match that bitch.
That shit just turned me on.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
You gotta do it for the clip, for the content, man. You gotta do it for the content. That's how I know you still got me.
That nigga got the same car. Shit crazy.
God damn, that Camaro fine as hell. If y'all see a nigga sliding or something, let me know so I can put the camera. Just point in that direction.
Nah, don't point. Just say that way.
That way ain't gonna fucking help me, dickhead.
Says the nigga that don't like niggas pointing.
Hey man, we can point. It don't fucking matter. I got the
go
camera in
there
my hand.
first.
Go over where?
That ain't no
12 about to drop this way. Damn, I didn't thought that was 12. Damn.
Oh, they got a call by somebody.
Even the cops out here speeding, nigga. That's how you know this shit.
Mecklenburg County.
This char lit, nigga. Char lit, nigga. Almost supposed this right here. That turns it on too.
Scatpack.
Yeah, I think it turned it on and off.
My fault, gang.
That's that white nigga with the green vest that just hopped out that hellcat that was racing up down the street.
Hey, walk a little faster though. It is cold.
Damn.
That shit clean.
Yo, this shit look beautiful as hell. Yo. Nah, that shit right there is tough. Oh, get out of the way, get out of the way.
Damn. Got the footage. Damn, that bitch, that
This
bitch
nigga got the
tough.
hardest crash in the city, bro. I'm sorry.
Hey, give him one good rail. Tell him give him one good rail. Tell him give him one good rail. Come on. For the coach, for the... What? On God, though.
That shit clean as hell.
That shit fine. That
this is?
That's me.
Oh, this bit tough, bro.
Yeah.
That bit tough.
Get that shit. What's that?
They got that bit route. What that is right there?
I don't even know.
Oh, that's a charger. I don't know what time it is though. Oh, what's good? What's good? Fuck.
Damn.
Yeah. Oh, that shit is clean though. That bit tough. Hell yeah.
Swap it. What y'all be doing on Thursday night? I don't really do this.
Get a truck.
Alright, so look, I'm on. So I'm in.
Hey, oh nigga, I ain't even peeked at the front though. Nigga, they got change at the front, cuz. Oh my mama, that shit tough as hell, bruh. Oh my mama, that shit I'm about to have a heart attack, boy. Hey, I'm about to have a heart attack, boy. I can feel that shit in my chest.
I felt it too when you walked by and he started doing that shit. I was like, hold on.
Holy shit, boy.
Do that shit one more time. Do that shit one more time.
Hey, boy.
Oh, wait, hold on. I got your gum, bro. Oh, shit. My bad.
You good, bro?
I was trying to hang out with him. He was like, oh yeah, you can tap it.
Huh?
I told my bro, I just bought a second. He was like, oh yeah, you need to tap in it. He said it's only 30 niggas in that car club, gang.
Yeah,
I'm trying to be 31. Fuck you talking about?
Nigga, what you had said?
Ooh, wait.
What you had said?
I said I'm gonna start paying your ass quarter by quarter. You get a raise every time. Quarter by quarter. Time's hard, nigga.
Nah, nigga. Y'all can see how this nigga looked at him behind
My last
his camera.
dollar on the
bro.
camera.
He getting side-eye.
Side the fuck out his ass a quarter.
Fuck wrong with that nigga, man.
Bro, he was
Unless
trying
y'all
to
wanna-
see. The nigga
y'all
was
wanna
trying
go
to
back
see
on
my
that.
car. I'm like, nigga, I parked over there. He was like, damn, yeah, you need to tap in, bro. I'ma pull up, look.
Oh shit. Oh, they're parking up.
That's that green goblin, ain't it? Oh, I'm tripping. That shit purple?
I don't know.
Shit, you don't even know what I'm talking about.
Might as well, nigga.
Oh, look, they got the green lights on the
Somebody
on the
had
front
the
of
green
Beat.
goblin though. It was definitely green and orange.
Get out the way. That's a... That ain't no TRS.
It's not, I had to look up.
I was about to say, you would have heard that Hellcat in the board.
No, I had to look up.
It's still nice though. No, I did. No, I did. No, I did. No, I did, nigga. Damn. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey, boy.
I said you almost missed that shit because he started sliding that bitch.
I ain't missing. I ain't missing. God damn! This smoky as hell in this motherfucker, boy. Oh, man, oh my mama, that shit was tough as hell. Oh, it's that weekend shit.
Stop recording that shit.
Bro, I can't hear the sound, bro. My fault. Man, what the fuck? This little ass shit, man. This little ass shit, man. Get that shit out of here, man. Damn, they ain't even doing that. God, they got tuck it in them motherfuckers.
Those are Brembos. I think that nigga got it. He got a build. He's building that car. He's building that car. I think it's an RT, but he's building it into a step. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I got you. I got you. I got you. Hey, cut up there. Turn up. Cut up. Cut up.
She wild as hell.
Hit that gas. Hit that gas. Green and red.
He got the whole Christmas theme lights. That shit tough.
He about to pull out.
Them niggas sliding back out.
Where?
And they cutting off that little ass car.
Please. Cut up. Come on, man. You in all black, man. What?
Damn. That shit bad.
Nigga got the lights on. Lights on. He got the underlights on.
Oh, yeah. That bitch shit. Oh, shit.
That nigga look dumb as hell.
That shit front wheel drive, bro. He can't be doing that shit.
He about to fuck his car up.
That shit been a fucking.
Yeah, fuck that little shit up. Fuck that little shit up.
You got to the end of this video. Comment, like, subscribe. Let me know something in the comments, what I can improve better or whatnot, you feel me? But until then, I'm going to catch y'all on the next one.